So now guys, in the previous video we have seen that how you can find information about the SQL injection vulnerability in a website. So we just put apostrophe here, hit enter, and we got this error message. It means this website contains the SQL injection. Now our task is to gather information about the other users' data using SQL injection. So first of all, let's create an account in this website and then we will proceed. So select 2017 SQL injection, extract data, user info, click on that. Again, come down and you can see there is a button which says please register here. So we need to register in this website. So click on this register page. And you can type any username, password, doesn't matter. For example, if I type username Sam, password is John, and I need to confirm the password, so the confirm password is John. And signature, signature is the kind of identity, so you can type anything like Sam is John, right? So I'm typing this, Sam is the username, John is the password, and this is the signature, Sam is John, because we want to analyze this web application. So that's why I am creating this account. So click on create account, and here we go, account created for Sam, one row inserted. So now you can log in inside your account if you want, right? So to log in inside your account, you can go back to the 2017 SQL extract data and user info, SQLi. Click on that. And you can type here, Sam is the username and John is the password to log in the accounts. So here we go. You have logged in and basically you have gather information about your account. So you can see here that your username is Sam, your password is John, and your signature is Sam is John. So it means the other users are also getting this information regarding their own account. For example, if other users have username admin, password is password, signature is admin is password, so he is also getting this kind of information. So our task is to gather this information regarding all accounts. For example, if this website contains 10 accounts, so I want that 10 accounts username and password information, right? So like this, it will be shown inside this panel and we need to gather that. So we have created an account in this video, and you can see that how the account looks that we were analyzing. Now let me show you how the query looks like. So in the URL area, you can see this is the query, right? Let me copy this and let me show you inside the leaf pad. So here is the query, right? So this is the query, and when we logged in inside our account, this query generates automatically. So you can see here it is showing that username is Sam, right? And the password you typed is John and some other info. We don't care about this info, right? We just need till username and password, right? So this is the query generated. Your Matilda is working, and this is, we are at user-info.php page. This is the username and the password we have passed. That's great. So let me open the Matilda again in the browser. Here it is. So what happens if I try to insert some wrong username and password? For example, if I try to insert wrong password, like my password is John, but I try to insert password is Peter and hit enter. So what will happen? Now come down and it is saying that authentication error, bad username and password, and you are not able to log in this page. Got it? So this kind of information we got. It means it is authenticating to the database that this is the username and this is the password. If it is not matching, they are not going to show you anything. And it is showing you that 0 records found. They are not showing us anything because they have sensitive data, and I'm not able to do this with this. Got it? So what happens if I try to break this query by typing apostrophe after Peter, right? Apostrophe means single code. Let me show you in the leaf pad what I have done. So in the leaf pad, what I've done is basically I have removed my password, right? Or you can put your password if it doesn't matter. Type Peter and after type dash means a single code, and then run this query. So to run this query, hit enter and wait and come down. Now you will see the magic. What kind of magic? You will understand that how query is working inside this web application, because you will see the exact query it is sending to the database. So if you can see here that we got the information about that query. So let me just zoom it for you so that you can watch it properly. Here it is. Select star from accounts. So it is sending a query to the database that select everything from accounts where username is Sam and password is Peter. Basically I have added a single quote, so that's why it is showing it twice here, but actually it is just one quote here. So the use of single quote is here to basically we can break this query, right? So that's fine, and you can see that after that it is showing nothing, so it is showing from select to Peter. So we got the actual query it is sending, so it is a sensitive information. Now what I can do here, I can manipulate this query and I can gather information about each and every accounts here, right? So this is information that how we can analyze the web application and how we can gather the SQL query here so that we can manipulate this. So this is all about the analyzing query inside web application, right? And in the next video, I'm going to show you that how you can manipulate this query and how we can enter into anyone's account inside this application, that I'm going to cover in the next video. So thank you so much.